Welcome back to the Car Collective. Today we're diving into a stunning masterpiece of automotive engineering, the Aston Martin DBX 707. This luxury SUV is not just a car, it's an experience that perfectly marries performance with sophistication. The DBX 707 is Aston Martin's answer to the growing demand for high-performance luxury SUVs. Debuting as a more powerful version of the already impressive DBX, this model elevates the brand's ethos of elegance and speed to new heights. Under the hood, you'll find a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine that churns out an astonishing 707 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right. This engine is a powerhouse, capable of launching the DBX 707 from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.1 seconds. It's remarkable for a vehicle of its size, showcasing Aston Martin's commitment to performance. But what really sets the DBX 707 apart is how it combines this raw power with an unparalleled driving experience. The 9-speed automatic transmission shifts seamlessly, delivering power to all four wheels for maximum grip and agility. Whether you're cruising along the highway or tackling winding country roads, the DBX 707 offers responsive handling that belies its substature. It also features an adaptive air suspension that adjusts to your driving style and road conditions, providing a smooth ride without compromising performance. Now, let's talk about design. The DBX 707 boasts a striking exterior that embodies Aston Martin's signature styling. With its aggressive front grille, sleek lines, and muscular stance, this SUV turns heads wherever it goes. The design isn't just for looks, it's functional, enhancing aerodynamics and cooling. The rear spoiler and side skirts add a sporty touch, while improving downforce, making it a true performer both visually and dynamically. Inside, the DBX 707 offers a luxurious sanctuary. The cabin is a blend of contemporary design and traditional craftsmanship. Premium leather, rich wood finishes, and the latest technology create an inviting atmosphere. The infotainment system is user-friendly and packed with features, including a high-quality sound system that will make every drive a pleasure. Aston Martin also ensures that the DBX 707 is equipped with the latest safety and driver assistance technologies. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system give drivers peace of mind while enjoying the thrill of the road. In summary, the Aston Martin DBX 707 isn't just a SUV, it's a statement. It embodies luxury, performance, and the spirit of adventure. Whether you're a car enthusiast or simply someone who appreciates the finer things in life, the DBX 707 is a vehicle that demands attention. So, if you're considering adding a high-performance luxury SUV to your collection, the Aston Martin DBX 707 deserves a spot at the top of your list. Thanks for tuning in to the Car Collective, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth reviews and automotive news. Drive safe and see you next time.